back to Steve Robb Reviews. Today I'm going to review a new tool that I purchased, the Milwaukee bandsaw, and I'm going to show some of the features why I bought it. But to tell you the truth, the reason why I bought this is because I was only looking at two manufacturers, DeWalt and Milwaukee. As you can see in the background here, I have Milwaukee and I have DeWalt, and I've had good service out of them. So either one didn't make a difference to me. A good buddy of mine said, you know what, just go whatever you got the best price from. And I got the best price from Milwaukee. And I also ordered two of the Milwaukee blades. And I'd recommend everybody read the instructions before you actually use this and learn how to put the blade on. It's very simple. If I can do it, anybody can do it. I picked two blades, 10 teeth per inch and 14. And this one here, I put the 14 tooth on because that's the materials that I'm cutting, and it shows you in the guide exactly what is the preferred blade pitch for your particular material that you're cutting. So that was the first cuts that I've ever done on that. I've never had one of these before, and I'll show you some of the features that I really like. Okay, first of all, it does have a switch here. You turn the light off and on, and there's a light in here, an LED light right in the head here itself, and I like that feature too. There's also a thumb wheel here, and you could adjust that back and forth, and you get variable speeds, and the trigger itself is variable. Now, as for the weight, a lot of people are wondering, how heavy is this? Well, you know what? If it wasn't heavy, you'd have to push down on the material to get it to cut. I find the weight is terrific. It's very well balanced. And I looked at lots of YouTube videos prior to buying this. The biggest concern that I had was, does it cut straight? How do you know by the blade here how straight you're cutting down? Well, I'll show you the cut-off pieces here first. So, this one here is the first cut, and you see the slag on the outside there? This was originally cut with an abrasive disc, and this one here, see how smooth that is? Burr-free, really nice. But if you take a good look at that, that's not cut that straight. Okay, here's the second cut. And it's a lot straighter now, isn't it? And this one here. So yeah, it's not that hard to get it straight. It just takes a couple of cuts to get used to it. And it's as straight as I would need, because most of the time when I'm cutting something up like that, I'm welding it to something, right? Most of the time, anyways. But so far, I like it just with the small little time I've had. It's very easy to put the blade on. I mean, just to undo this here, the wheels come in, you put the blade on inside the guide rollers, goes on, you tighten it up, and that's it. It's very easy. It's not hard. And the main selling point behind a lot of products is their price point and their warranty. This comes with a 5-year warranty. I like that. And you can get all kinds of aftermarket cutting blades for it if you like. Now I picked these up at the place that I bought for $10 a piece, and that was a pretty smoking deal compared to what I've seen online on other places. And it comes in this blow molded case, which is terrific, and it has a really good, decent cord on it. And I like always to see a 3-prong plug, because a lot of power tools have 2 prongs, and they seem to disconnect a lot easier, and they kind of come out of the outlet a little bit there and shut off on you. It doesn't have the same tension as 3, so I do like the 3-prong. But overall, I look forward to using this more in the future. And when you're looking at a review from somebody that's showing a power tool like this, you know, I would tell everybody you don't need this tool. I bought this because it's another tool that I just wanted. I have a plasma cutter, I have a chop saw, I have reciprocating saw. I could use various things to cut a piece of steel, or if you want, wood. And a lot of people have actually made nice stand-up mounts for these so you can have your hands independent for cutting various pieces of wood or steel yourself. And I think that's a great idea, and I may build one in the future myself. But when you're looking at a review on YouTube and you're thinking to yourself, like, should I get one of these? Well, if you have other alternatives, you know what? This is a great tool to have. I like it. I'm going to use this a lot. But in reality, unless you're using it to cut a lot of steel or a lot of wood, or you have a specific purpose for it, nah, you don't really need this. I'm not trying to sell anybody anything on my channel. Just that I wanted to get it myself. I like the idea, the compactness, and I've seen a couple of my friends on their YouTube channels when they're building and fabricating things, they've been using this, and it looks like a great alternative to having, well, my chop saw. My chop saw, yeah, it does great, but I always got that slag edge on the outside that's not cut so nice. This is going to be a real upgrade. And if you have any questions about the tool, let me know and I'll try and answer them the best I can. But when I review something on my products, on my channel, it's products that I bought myself. I give my own honest review, and I'll update you in the future of what I think about this long term. But so far, I like it. If you haven't seen this channel before, you're welcome to subscribe. Come back again. Let's have some more fun, and let's have some more real reviews. Cheers.